Got electricity run out to the greenhouse. Ran a conduit 1 inch underground and a split phase 20 amp circuit. So I've got 3 plugs in there and a switch, and then plugs up on the ceiling for the lights that I have to plug in. I'm just got one in and a little work light plugged into the top. Here it is. There's the light up there. Greenhouse, it's 10 feet by 40 feet. All my tools and stuff in here. It's raining outside. Go down to the end here. And I'll turn around and look back. Drip is in. And power. Might be able to put some heaters in here if I need. We'll see how that goes.